Majesty Yang Di-Pertuan Agong Sultan Ibrahim Ibni Sultan Iskandar. Cheers.
Dear lovely guests and fellow Rotarians, please join the toast to Rotary International.
Rotary International. Please.
To our guests.
To our guests.
I am thrilled and honored to serve as the President of Rotary Club of Tawau. Our club, which has always achieved great things, and I'm committed to represent it with pride. This year, Rotary team is Magic of Rotary. Let us be inspired and continue to make a meaningful difference. Together, we can create a positive impact on our community and a better world. At the same time, I would like to thank our past president and then my board of directors and all the members for all the support. Let's make the magic work this year.
Thank you very much for that very lengthy introduction. I want to wish you all the best as you create Rotary Magic. Thank you very much.